Hello, welcome back to Loza's Loft. We're now just about to have the cocks out. I'll shut the hens in the boxes and shut the stock cocks up, and we're about to have them out now. Open the trap for them. As you can see, the hens are shut in the boxes. Right, now just wait for them to come out. Come on. Yeah, normally they do fly out the pen, but they're just a bit wary now. Their hens are with them. I'll just go and fetch this one cock out. Come on out, boy. Come on. And up they go. Up they go. And off they go. Circling round the loft, look ya. Oh. I reckon they should fly for about 2 minutes. Alright then, bye bye.